You're going to that wooden bunker.
Alright. How are we looking over here, gentlemen?
Well, they're out there, but we're holding them back.
Alright.
I like your backup.
It shoots a ton of
Cramp was sitting on it.
Does it really?
Holds 10 rounds.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry.
Did you get a confirmation there? Sorry?
Confirm Bravo. Rendezvous. Evac site. Grid. Echo. Echo.
There's Echo, Echo. Pulling out. Come on, moving.
Alright boys, we're pulling out to Echo Echo.
Evac, they've been up there for about a
Yep.
half hour now.
Alright, I'm going.
Yeah, get stuck in.
The plan is we're going to get out the wood by there, and we're going to go up this way.
All right.
Evac.
In the woods?
Yeah. Are that side of the wood clear? Should be.
Okay.
Bravo. Should I move over? And Bravo told us to go this way. So
Okay.
we're streaking across Rubber Road?
Yeah.
I'm going to go up here and just make sure they're not coming down towards us.
Yeah, we got one in a respawn that's coming back on. He's almost ready to come back.
Bravo, how many personnel are you missing? I like that they actually like to walk all the way back to your team.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna move that tree to give you some room here.
I want all Americans to go to
Watch your way, Clark. Yeah, they're crossing Rubber Road, guys.
Watch out, you're 12.
All right.
Fuck, you the guy.
Yeah. How close is Brad to getting back?
7 minutes left.
Guys, we got 7 minutes until that evac comes. We need to get Brad here now.
Okay, where's...
There's Brad. All right, boys, let's get a move on. All right, I'm gonna get to this tree line.
We got him?
Yep, we got him here.
Okay.
All right. Yep, we got him. All right, I'm gonna take the edge of the tree line by the Rubber Road.
Bravo, get this tree out.
All right, you covered. Go, go, go. Good job, guys.
Contact rear, contact rear.
One enemy down here on the road. I'm pinned down, guys, on the left side of the path. One crossed the path on my side. What's that? How many specters left have to be extracted? I know of 2. 3.
Is everyone extracted yet?
Who's left? Just us?
Fuel. Did you see where the fuel is? The fuel? The green canister? I think that's still graphic.
Keep your goggles on.
Are you guys missing? Count up your guys. Where's your medic?
Spectre's over by Jeff.
Medic 2 extraction point.
Oh, Ross, get your ass out the woods!
I got the smoke going. I left some radioactive material back
Hustle
there.
medic, hustle medic.
You need that. Go on.
You need to bring it here.
Nice.
Where is it?
What?
Wait.
I got the fuel. That wasn't the fuel. That was right. I got the fuel in there. That's all you wanted.
The cell.
Did you dump out the cell? No. It didn't dump it out. It's just there, tucked in there. That's all.
You need
still
it
in there.
All
right.
Bring it when we
I
leave
thought
it
it
to
was
the
here.
territory.
Oh.
Come on, guys. You got 5 minutes.
Cover.
Where are they going? Where is it? Where's the fuel? Where's the fucking get it? Where's the fuel?
Behind those cubes!
He's got it. Cover him. Hold your positions.
I got the fuel. This is you.
Yeah, rock and roll.
Covering. Pull back.
Thank you.
Get in the top box, boys. Get in the top box.